We have here a lovely two-story house for sale in Bridgemount Heights, which is less than 3 minutes drive from Manor Park. The house consists of 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a kitchen, dining, living, breakfast room, and staff quarter. There is a spacious patio on the lower level and a balcony on the upper level. The property offers a spectacular view of the city on both levels. The land size is 24,000 square feet and the house is approximately 3,500 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 80 million or US $519.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.